Hey everybody, I'm Muñoz and I'm here at BURTON. Today, I want to show you how you can build a beautiful balloon arch using the classic decor technique. That means sizing your latex balloons. But the most important about this video, I will show you how you can use the Aeröpole system. I love the Aeröpole system and I hope you love it too. Are you ready? I'm ready to show you. Now, before we start inflating, let me introduce you to the twin sizer. This machine helps you to size your balloons. To size the balloons with this machine, you need to set up the time. How many seconds you want to inflate a balloon to get the perfect size. That means you can use the same inflator to use different sizes balloon. That inflator, they come in with a pedal. That pedal will help you to size your balloons. If you plug this to the right, that balloon will work with different times on different seconds. If I put 3.0, that means my balloons will use 9 inches. But the same pedal, if I plug to the left, I can use my inflator with no specific time. Means I can continue inflate. Now, let me plug the pedal to the right and we will pretend using a 12-inch latex balloon and we need to size to 9 inches. 9 inches, I always use 3.0. Now you have in your screen 3.0. That's supposed to be 9 inches. And now, if you see all those counts here, this is the side that counting how many balloons you're inflating. But they count like for duplex. For example, if you inflate here a duplex of balloon and tie, the number will show up right here is the number 1. That show you inflate 1 duplex. That show you that at 3.0 seconds, you inflate 1 duplex. If you get confused with what I say, don't worry about it. Each inflator, they come in with a chart that show you how many seconds you need to inflate your balloons. Now, if I plug the pedal to the left, you can see the inflator you can manage with the pedal with no time. Means when you're pushing down the pedal, you will put air in those latex balloons. Now it's time to inflate some balloons. I have in here 11-inch balloons that I will use 3.0, that means it's 9 inches. Just hold each balloon in each nozzle and push down the pedal. You have 2 11-inch size the same size. Now it's time to tie together. Just stretch the neck, wrapping around 2 times and tie. You have a duplex. Let's repeat the same process one more time. Now, we have 2 duplex, just put together in the center and twist 2 times. This is a quad. Now, you have to repeat the same process until you get all the quads that you need for your arch. And now, let me introduce you to the Aeröpole system. The Aeröpole system is a really good arch that will help you to display arches indoors or outdoors. First, let's start to put them together. They come in with the security pin. Let's use under the base. And now, We're using the washer, and then the nut. The Aeröpole system coming with 7 poles. If you need a longer arch, you always can use the 7 poles. Because I want to show you how you build a balloon arch, I'm using just 4 poles. But you can use many poles that you need to complete your balloon arch. To connect one pole with the other, just slide in through the hole, the connection part. You connect all the poles that you will need for your balloon arch. Just slide in one side to the pin and the other side to the other pin. And that way you will create the structure of your balloon arch. Let's attach the quad to the Aeröpole system. Just slide in the quad through the Aeröpole system, and you see the pole is between those 2 balloons. Now it's time to twist the balloon. This balloon coming to this side and this balloon coming to this side. And now put the finger in the center and push down. Let's repeat this process one more time. Slide in. If you see, my colors are the same position that my last quad. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide in. You have the pole here, and you have to decide if you want your spiral to the left or to the right. Means I want it always to the right. That's the way I'm doing it. And I would just put it there to the right. I have my pole here. That means I will twist those 2 balloons. This balloon changed to this position, and this balloon changed to this position. Now continue this process until you attach all the quads to your balloon arch. See how wonderful is the Aeröpole? I use them for indoor, for outdoor. I use electric inflator just to create a beautiful and magic balloon decor. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.